Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Anna and today I have another Sephora Play box unboxing for you guys. So if you guys don't know what this is basically Sephora has a monthly subscription box that it offers, but unfortunately it's only offered here in the United States. I've had some comments before in my previous videos say that they don't offer it internationally or like in places like Australia and Europe. So that's really unfortunate. They really have to get on that and make it an international thing. But what's really cool is basically it's a monthly subscription box, and if you guys know Sephora, you know they carry a wide range of items, right? So it's not only makeup, they carry a lot of skincare products, hair products, perfumes, colognes, etc. There's just so much that you can get at Sephora. So what's really cool is you can really customize it to what you're looking for in a subscription box. If it's just purely makeup, you'll get purely makeup. If it's just skincare, you'll get skincare. If you just want foundations, they'll send you new foundations every month. So that's what I really love about this box, is that they're not just going to throw random things in there like a lot of other makeup subscription places that you can go to. They just throw a lot of random things in there, things that you might not necessarily want. So what I really like is that you can customize it and make it to your needs, and you can actually switch it up every month if you're looking for different items. So let's get right into it. I'm not going to mumble too much, and this is our Sephora Play November box. I was about to say October, but guys, Thanksgiving is right around the corner. We're definitely in November. So when you first open your box, you get a little booklet that basically is like a little catalog that tells you all the products you got, how to use them, you know, ingredients in them, things like that. I usually don't touch that. I usually kind of save that for last. I like to just get into the package itself and see what I got. So this is what she looks like. So let's go through the items that we got this month. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with the first thing I see right on top here. And it's so funny when I just looked at this, like, because it was sitting right on top of here. When I first saw this, I thought this was possibly Tasha skincare. If you guys know, I absolutely love Tasha line. Like, their skincare line is amazing, and their water cream line is actually in this beautiful teal color. So when I first opened this up and saw this, I was like, wait, is this Tasha? Did they send me Tasha? Because it is not cheap and I absolutely love it. And I have not received Tasha in any of my Sephora Play boxes, but if anyone from Sephora is watching, guys, get on that. Like, get us some Tasha skincare because I absolutely love it and it's amazing. And yeah, it'd be really nice if I get it 1 month. Okay, so the first item, it actually is a skincare item because it says Skin Fix. So it's redness recovery antioxidant redness treatment. Okay, so that's really cool. I personally have pretty neutral skin, so I'm not too oily, I'm not too dry. I don't really deal with a lot of acne on my face. I don't really deal with a lot of redness, but I do get patches from here to there. And especially in the summertime, oh, forget it. I used to, oh my God, I remember when I was younger, I used to get the nicest tans when I went outside in the summer. Now I just burn. It doesn't even matter if I put sunblock on, and I apply sunblock religiously. Like, I'll apply it before I leave, I'll apply it before I go in the water, I apply it when I get out of the water. It seriously does not matter. I still will catch a sunburn like this. Like, it's crazy. So this can actually be super helpful, and I'm actually looking forward to using this because, again, as I mentioned, now it's winter, so I really don't deal with redness, but maybe in the summer, because I feel like that's when it acts up the most. So this is what it looks like when you open. So this is what it looks like inside. It's kind of this gray, almost clear, almost moisturizer looking cream. And then when you smell it, there is a hint of like this clay smell. It's not very strong. It's kind of light. It's not super, super strong. But that's the first item we got, and I'm actually really excited. I think I will use this more towards the summertime, not really right now in the winter, unless I do have some red patches that I see here and there. But as I mentioned, that's very unlikely in the winter time for me. It's more of kind of in the spring, summertime that happens, not really in the winter. But that's really cool because I actually don't have anything that fights redness. So I'm actually really interested to see and try that out. All right, next item. Oh, okay, so I've gotten a few of these products before already. So this is the Diva Curl, or Deva, it's D-E-V-A. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I assume it's Diva, but just with an E, but I might be wrong. Melt into Moisture. So what is this? This is a matcha butter conditioning mask. Is this for the face or the, well, it's Diva Curl, so it's for, definitely for the hair, because everything that I've gotten from this line is for hair. For a quick moisturizing boost, apply after cleansing and let it sit for 3 minutes Need more intense hydration. Cover hair with a plastic cap for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so it's like a boosting kind of moisturizing mask for your hair. So I do have a few other Diva Curl products that I have tried. I don't know if that's showing up for you guys. So I do have a few other products of theirs that I've tried and I have really liked. So this is interesting because I usually actually don't use any type of masks for my hair. I use a lot for my face, but not for my hair, believe it or not. Oh, and this actually smells really nice. Oh, it's a very nice, like, sweet, but like a good sweet, not like a bad sweet. It's a very nice, sweet, subtle smell. And so as I mentioned, I don't really use hair masks. Let me know if you guys have ever used hair masks and if you like them or would recommend them. I just personally think I tried one many years ago. When I tried to wash it out, like my hair just felt so bleh afterwards. Like, I don't know, maybe I didn't use it right. Maybe I had to like shampoo and condition it after taking the mask out, because again, I don't use hair masks, so I don't know what the instructions are. But I remember when I used one, it just felt, I don't know, it just made my hair way too greasy, something I didn't like. So I just never went back to hair masks. They just have never been my thing. I never knew how to use them, still don't. So I don't know, I'll try this out, I'll see how it goes. I think you probably do have to condition it out or do something to it, because when I used it the first time, it was just, no, it was a no-go for me. I was just like, no, I can definitely stay away from that. Okay, let's see, what's our next item? So our next item is the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Oh, okay, your girl loves a good primer. So this is what that looks like, if it will focus. It's in a super shiny box, so it kind of might be hard to focus in on it. But that's interesting. Watermelon. Oh, if you guys know me, I love anything watermelon scented, any type of watermelon candies. Watermelon themselves, I love to eat watermelon like throughout the year. So done, sold. Like once you said watermelon, it's like, yes, please. Oh, guys, that smells so delicious. It's not even okay. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this pink packaging and it has like these little bubbles, or like these little bursts of blue or black bubbles in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if that's focusing, but there's like these little kind of blue bubbles in there, so that's interesting. But you guys, this smells so good. Honestly, like, this is insane that it smells this good. I honestly wish there was a way for you guys to smell this, because this is insane. You know what it smells like? It smells like a watermelon, like lip gloss almost. It smells so good, like you legit want to eat it. Holy crap. Guys, that smells really good. So this is a primer, but I will say one thing. Is this a primer for the face? Let me see. It smells so sweet that, to be honest, I kind of hesitate putting this on my face, just because I feel like the sweetness in this might break me out. Well, it says hydrating and pore refining primer, so it's definitely a face primer, but I'm kind of iffy on it, because I'm not gonna lie, it does smell really sweet, and you have to be careful because certain things can definitely react with, you know, your face once you put on it. Actually, let me know, have any of you guys tried that? Because I've never tried that. This is the first time I'm gonna try it out, but I kind of hesitate because it is super sweet, so I don't want to put it on my face to, you know, as a primer and then break out all over. Like, so let me know if you guys have ever tried that. I'm interested to know. Okay, so our next item is this Kiehl's water cream, serum infused water cream. So water cream, so I'm assuming it's a moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. And if it would stop focusing on me. There we go. So it's a small little sample. They usually send you small little samples of everything, not anything too big. But let's see. I actually do like a lot of the Kiehl's products that I already got. Oh, and this is nice because this kind of has like a lemony scent to it. It's kind of like a... Oh, do you guys... Actually, I know exactly what this smells like. Do you guys know like those Ricola and those cough drops, those lemon cough drops? That's exactly what this smells like. Oh my god, that is so funny. That is exactly what it smells like. But I'll use it. Hey, listen, it smells good actually. I don't mind the smell of lemon, and it is winter and people are getting sick left to right. I actually myself have been sick for 2 weeks and it has been insane. Whatever has been going around this flu season, is tough, like no joke. And I got my flu shot and everything, but you guys, I ended up getting so sick, and everyone at work has been sick and out left to right these last 2 weeks because it's just been going from person to person. And let me tell you, oof, luckily, thank God, I pre-film a lot of videos. When I sit down to make some videos, I usually am able to bang out 3 to 4 videos in one sitting. So I had some videos to edit, so luckily I didn't have to, you know, try to get on camera and make a video while I was sick, thank God. But yeah, this cold and flu season is no joke. If you have not gotten your flu shot, I would highly recommend go get it, because this flu season is, yeah, it's a doozy. So go get your flu shot if you haven't. Or if you're against flu shots and you don't get them, I totally understand that as well. 2 items, I kind of pulled them together. So the first item I have is actually Versace Bright Crystal, the little sampler pack of the Versace perfume. And it's so funny because when I racked up enough points on Sephora, I actually ended up getting the small little mini one once I got like enough points. So for the fact that they even sent me like a small sample, it was so cute. And it's actually a really great, amazing scent. So I actually don't even mind that. So I have this one, and now this one I can just throw in my purse or something because I really love the smell of it. If you guys have not tried this, so it is Versace Bright Crystal. I would highly recommend it. It is such a good scent. It's not too much, it's not too intense. And let me actually spray some of the sample, because to be honest, I have so many perfumes, so I don't remember what they all smell like. Oh yeah, so it's such a good smell. It's definitely a mix of like floral and fruits. So let me read. It has some isaccord in it, some pomegranates, magnolia, lotus flower, musk, yuzu, whatever yuzu is, Y-U-Z-U. So it has like a lot of like fruits and flowery smells, and it's just really nice. It's not anything too intense, it's not anything too much. I actually really like it. And to be honest, I've heard of Versace, and you know, I know they're more popular for their clothing lines and stuff like that, but their perfumes are actually really good. So I would highly recommend, if you are looking for a new perfume or were interested, I would definitely say go with the Versace perfume, because it's really good. It's actually really nice. Okay, and the last little thing I have is from, oh, Artist Couture. So I actually have never myself bought anything from them, and I do watch a lot of beauty bloggers, you know, a lot of big names, a lot of smaller beauty YouTubers who make a lot of makeup videos, and I noticed that a lot of people have mentioned Artist Couture, but I just personally myself have never used anything from there, but I've heard it's absolutely amazing. So I got a Diamond Glow powder. So I wonder, I wonder if it's a highlight or if it's like an eyeshadow powder. I don't know how well this is presenting on camera, but I guess we'll see when I go and edit this video. It's probably not. I think it's so shiny because I am using a ring light. Yes, your girl ended up getting a ring light, so I don't know. I don't know how well that's showing, but I definitely know it shows very well on the finger. It's very nice. It's definitely like a pink peachy nude, so it's very nice. I'm really surprised. Wow. Okay, this is really nice. I wonder if this is an eyeshadow or if it is a highlight. Let me see, because I don't want to be wrong here. So it just says it's a loose powder, so I think it's mostly probably used for eyeshadow just because it's so, you know, it pops so much. But to be honest, if you're looking for an extra shine just to put like in your chest area or something like that, I would even highly recommend this for that. Like, I think it'd be really nice as an eyeshadow, but I think it'd be really nice just as like an overall body glow. I just think this is so pretty. Oh my god, guys, I feel like the finger is better because you can't really tell on here, but I feel like the finger really shows it off better than what my hand is. It's really pretty, guys, really pretty. So yeah, so that is all I have for this month's Sephora Playbox. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Many more to come because I definitely absolutely love this subscription box. I honestly cannot talk it up enough. Just the items that come in here are so great. A lot of name brand items. You know, you do from time to time get some of the same things, like you'll get a foundation again, you'll get a mascara again. But honestly, that is totally okay with me because you get a lot of brand names that you know from Sephora. So that's what I really like, because I used to, way back when, be subscribed to Ipsy, and nothing on Ipsy because I haven't had their subscription box in over a year now, so it's been a while. But when I did have it, they kept sending me these off-brand makeup items and things like that of brands not familiar to me. I didn't really like, didn't really click with me. So that's what I really love about the Sephora Play Box, is that they kind of give you a little bit of everything. They give you the brand names, the off-brand names, but it's all Sephora products, and I really love Sephora, so I guess I am kind of biased in that way. But yeah, so I really love this unboxing. I can't wait to see what's in my next box. That's gonna ship soon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanksgiving is coming up, so if you guys celebrate, if you're, you know, getting together with family, with friends, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next Playbox unboxing. Bye guys.